Welcome to the Safe Place channel. Are you ready for a math quiz? Let's see how many you can get right. 20 math problems are waiting for you. Ready? Go! Grade 1 Math Quiz. How much is 3 plus 6? Three, two, 1. The answer is 9. Can you solve 2 plus 8? Three, two, 1. Correct. That is 10. Solve this. 3 plus 3. Three, two, 1. You get 6. Give it a try. 5 plus 2. Three, two, 1. Well done. It is 7. What is 4 plus 1? Three, two, 1. That makes 5. Can you solve this? 2 plus 1? Three, two, 1. Nice! The answer is 3. What is 6 plus 2? Three, two, 1. Correct. That equals 8. Try this one. 2 plus 7. Three, two, 1. Good job. You get 9. How much is 6 plus 4? Three, two, 1. That is 10. Well done. What is 1 plus 5? Enjoying the quiz? Like and subscribe for more. Three, two, 1. Correct answer is 6. Let's take a quick breather. Are you doing well so far? Can you solve 6 plus 1? Three, two, 1. Great! That makes 7. Try this one. 2 plus 4? Three, two, 1. Well done. It is 6. What is 1 plus 7? Three, two, 1. Correct. You get 8. How much is 5 plus 3? Three, two, 1. Nice. That equals 8. Can you solve this? 1 plus 3? Three, two, 1. Good job. The answer is 4. What is 7 plus 2? Three, two, 1. Correct. That is 9. Try this one. 3 plus 4. Three, two, 1. Well done. You get 7. How much is 4 plus 5? Three, two, 1. Great. The answer is 9. What is 8 plus 2? Three, two, 1. Correct. That equals 10. Last one. What is 5 plus 0? Three, two, 1. Easy one, it is 5. Great job! Keep going and have fun with math. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to watch our other videos. See you next time!